so no. BBI is smooth.
Yeah, BBI is smooth. Yeah.
Say smooth there, then we expect a 7 December. Say BBI is smooth. Because we are not going to look at it on the basis of numbers. Say BBI. Nipa ebia 10,000 na 5,000 na 2,000 eto no hand.
Yeah.
I see a starting late because logistical matters. And your my here see the beto aba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ewo constituencies.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Say no me bia here bi egu akwam. Nti say ho dia na agents wo na electoral officers wo I say to me first.
Yeah.
Just as we've started today. Equally, so no, I say to me, smooth in terms of say security presence and what would do Juma what say will be able conducting well, no, so no, as so my present or more. It 7th of December no, in my contemplation, and I'm just you know, as a baton I better a funny smoothness.
Okay, so the opposite chance and the we are convinced say asat
87.9 Kumasi.
Me say
okay
me say say wo we journalist wo kire say based on Kumasi ha Ashanti regional dia modi moni ehunu dia ma bo to akohwe nyina na wo kire say ifrase ani brem bibia akoso tote witimi wakame bia nyamai more than me at least start time no cry
yeah
a free process na say the mechanism logistically no adibia say here bia e wo polling station bia ansa na yakoto aba 7 December is available said the beya the start of or the take off time no bra you dey frase
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Sa process no and it's a difficult for us. And no man say the train show the court by now. Me gidi say attendance you so call. The way Krabia say call. Me gidi say by now baby I say the kubu and sana brand so e be call e kura na so. They go go. Ya he kwan a be fa so a ahomachi o say e da bia ye de be kwan sana de ache me yato a ya hwe ni nyina. Me tu say e say ada ye beto aba. Ye start time and the take off time so pa our constituencies districts biara polling stations in particular say sanoma we no say akachi bi
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You may talk about western and eastern region there or a defer to 5th December. What you say we are not yet in 7th December. Tia azumu say challenges for any other area crown and me agodobia or ma resolve those challenges leading up to 7th December. Ewo nkrata ye beto aba say pink sheet nkrata bia ye bia ese ni na ye available. So I'm expecting say with so many years of election free 90s eba abesi 2024 say abato nkrata ni nyoma ye say beto aba bibia ye crunch.
All right,
voters register also what we say 18 million plus people
87.9
different polling stations and ye correct any idea. Yeah, say, my public education about the county. See, I see it, you see, yeah, brand swan. Now, yeah, kind. And that is the electoral commission's decision. We said that we could look at it from a different angle. Oh, they're mentioning. But then they can pick and cry.
But probably maybe I want to say I don't know me affect and influence. You know, once people among them say ekwaha maybe I want to yes.
So yeah, smart.
Yeah,
it you know at least historically we've had different special votes over time. What is important is that we trust the security agencies. You trust the systems are you put it in place. Now we say on the set date, yes, 0.007% out of the 18 million plus people na
yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
The pass or car say very important.
Yeah.
Significant. Only even because 50% plus one vote. It is very significant. That one vote can come from here. For either the NDC or the
Akoma 87.9
vote. No, you heard you listen. Very interesting vote in the Dokoso.
Yes.
Now the interesting aspect also of it is that when we are looking at 0.007% voting today and how we value their votes, we should appreciate the fact to say at least we'll get a sizable number of these 80 million people coming out to vote on the 7th of December.
Yeah.
Because a idea is very important. We must look at the question of voter apathy. It drew 80 years a year. Now you pay change, you pay. It is possible. It is possible. And yes, it's same for. Nina no be to me abaswa. I see her say 18 million plus people. No. Several of them are going to vote. One kotoa ba now tenasna yo so bi na kotoa ba ya o man paniama wa ade chia emobi ensu because abaye koto ye na ho outcome ene ye benya
na ye benya me da say prof mesa ba ho bio na